Alasa, and I'm going to tackle about the spiral of silence theory. This theory talks about the relationship between the majority and the minority on how they express themselves. Spiral of silence theory model. This theory described as a spiral with two ends. The top and up of spiral is view of majority where people are willing to speak out, while the lower end consists of these parts, the view of minority where people doesn't express themselves. We even chase their opinion to dominant opinion. This theory posits that they remain silent for a few reasons. Fear of isolation. When the group or public realize that the individuals has a divergent opinion from the status quo. Number 2, fear of reprisal or more extreme isolation, in the sense that voicing said opinion might lead to a negative consequence beyond that of mere isolation. Assumption of spiral of silence theory. The major assumption of spiral of silence theory is fear of isolation. Individuals have fear of isolation from the group of people. This makes them doesn't speak up their ideas. Moreover, people feel by agreeing with their opinion instead of telling them their ideas. Next, assessing the climate. In order to avoid becoming isolated, people constantly observe their environment very closely. Environmental observation help people find out opinions and modes of behaviors that are becoming popular. Then they express, behave, and change themselves as it in public. According to spiral of silence theory, when people communicate, we to allow them to feel comfortable to express their true opinions.